If you've searched for a ripe pineapple and haven't been able to find one, there is still hope that you'll be able to enjoy the sweet, tropical fruit by encouraging it to develop more fully at home. First method: place in a paper bag with other fruits. Pineapples have a little difficulty ripening on their own because they lack sugar after being picked. So they require a bit of assistance from other fruits that can ripen on their own, such as apples, bananas and tomatoes. These fruits release ethylene, a plant hormone which aids in the ripening process. Placing them in a bag helps contain the ethylene close to the fruits. Fine paper grocery bags are the most convenient to use. Second method: place it upside down. If you enjoy a balancing act, then this option is for you. All you have to do is place the pineapple with the base upwards and balance the pineapple on its leaves. This essentially helps the sugars flow upwards to ripen the pineapple. Third method: bury the pineapple in rice. Rice is a natural desiccant that can remove moisture from pineapple, and drying out helps it to ripen. Place the pineapple in a tall container or pot. Then pour in enough rice to cover the area below the stem. In a day or two, the pineapple will be ripe. Be sure to check daily to avoid over-ripening. One would ask, how long does it take for a pineapple to ripen? In nature, a pineapple takes about 16 months to go from planting to flowering, and then 6 months more to be ripe enough to pick. Roughly 2 years in total. When you buy a pineapple, it's usually about as ripe as it will get on its own. So you can ripen it at home in 1 to 2 days, at which point it'll be juicy enough to eat. With that being said, bon appétit, and see you next time.